Hello everyone, this is Nancy Mandal of section 11. Today I am going to demonstrate my circuit design of social distancing meter which I have made using Tinkercad. I have made this device in accordance with the fight for the difficult pandemic situation we are facing these days. If one has this device in his or her hand or pocket or bag and another person comes nearby, say a distance less than 1 meter, then it will produce a sound which will alert both of them to move apart from each other, hence maintaining the social distance. This is PIR sensor, which senses the motion of the person using infrared radiations, which any person releases from its body. The ground pin of this sensor is connected to the ground pin of Arduino board. The power pin of the sensor is connected to the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and the signal pin of this sensor is connected to the digital pin number 2 of Arduino board. If we will attach here the ground pin of Arduino to the negative terminal of this piezoelectric device and the positive terminal of this device to the same pin where the resistor is connected, here it is digital pin number 13, then less time will be taken for the code to execute. Now let's see the code. This is the code. Here we have to read the values of the sensor. For this, I have input the serial monitor here, and I have put the input value for the sensor, and pin number will be the one which is connected to the sensor. So it's digital pin number 2. So it's this here. Now we have to check the condition for which the buzzer will play. For that, we will go to control where I have chosen if else block. Then I have put the math block here, which is equal to 1, and set the sensor to high. That means a person is entered into the restricted area. Then I have chosen speakers with different tones and waited for different seconds to make the sound as Super Mario game. So there's a code for Super Mario music. And at last, the else statement, which sets the pin to low. That means if nobody is there, then the LED will not glow and the sound will not come. Also, you can convert this block code into block plus text code, where you can see this text code. You can put this text code into Arduino IDE like Proteus software. So now we will start the simulation. You can see this blue circle which behaves like a person. If anyone enters this area, then you can see that LED is glowing and you can hear the buzzer is making the Super Mario sound. You can see once if it is here, then no sound is playing. And if it comes to the restricted area, then the LED is glowing and the Super Mario music is playing. After stopping the simulation, you can see one more thing here, that after doing this block code, this is serial monitor. So when nothing is playing and everything is in off mode, then it is low. So here it is showing 0. This device can also be used as security alarm system. Also, it can be used as burglar alarm system in our homes to catch the thieves. Thank you.